So why do I need Google Wallet and Google Pay? Why do I need Google Wallet and Google Pay? So the short answer is Google Wallet and Google Pay are not the same thing. Google Pay is used for everyday payments, tap to pay in stores or online at checkouts, while Google Wallet is used for storing and managing your digital cards. It's a digital wallet, so you can store your debit cards, credit cards, transport passes, tickets, IDs, balances, and the sort. So in practice, they work hand in hand, they work together. They are not the same thing. So Google Wallet basically is just your digital wallet. If you don't want to carry around your physical wallet with your physical cards, you can just store your cards on your Google Wallet and you leave your wallet at home, just carry around your device. Then Google Pay is the actual payment engine that you can actually use for paying in store or doing online checkouts. So you need both of them because they complement each other. They are not the same thing.